My name is Busisiwe Dlala, aka B. I'm the Braai Master.
I'm Thembeka Ngcobo, TT. I'm the Braai Buddy.
We are both chefs.
We know each other for 4 years.
4 years now. We get along very well. I know TT's strengths and she knows mine. I know her weaknesses, she knows mine. Fishing is our biggest challenge because it's something that we've never ever done.
She's a panicker. That's what I'm scared about.
It takes forever to make decisions. That's what I can say about TT. I've always been behind the scenes, so for me, it will give me more exposure.
I love to go to Durban. We always go in December though, where everybody goes. There's a lot of vibes.
If I do win, I'll definitely open a Shisanyama. I'm ready here and I'm excited at the same time.
Ultimate Braai Master starts Thursday, the 11th of September at 8:30 p.m.